Sometimes simple ingredients makes it very good salad. This Persian Shirazi salad, it's one of that dish. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. We are making this salad for 4 guests. We need half cucumber, small diced, white onions, fine diced half cucumber, again small diced, some chopped cilantro and mint leaves, olive oil 1 teaspoon, just enough salt to taste, cracked black pepper, squeeze some lemon juice and grape sour vinegar. If you don't have, use the regular vinegar. Combine well. Enjoy the Persian salad at home. It's very simple, right? Simple, fresh, so easy to make, delicious salad. Thanks for watching. See you with a new video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.